Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just Raina here. Today's video is gonna be about how to wear scarves as a hair accessory. I'm gonna show you various ways to wear a hair scarf. These are gonna be very quick, simple and easy hairstyles that you can do for any hair type, be it long, short, medium, wavy, curly, straight, whatever it is, you can try them on. Anyways, don't forget to tag me in the photos when you put on these hairstyles on social media, and do try them out this summer. You'll really enjoy the look. Also, I'm hoping by now you guys would have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't, go ahead, do that so that you can see the upcoming content on my channel every week. So let's get started.
For the first hairstyle, you need to tie a pony. Now I'm taking this scarf and folding it up, first forming a triangle and then rolling it over almost 3 times, and this is what you get. Just tie it around your pony and form a knot, then roll it over again, bring it to the top and form the second knot. Voila, that completes our first look. Now moving on to the second hairstyle, which again needs the scarf to be folded 3 times in the same manner. Here again we are starting with the pony and wrapping this around our head, bringing it to the front, securing with a tic-tac pin on both the sides. After securing, tie the front open ends together, forming a knot. We need to form 2 knots here, and then it's time to open up the pony. This is what you're gonna get. Pretty easy. You can amp your look by adding on cat eye sunglasses. This is gonna give you that retro look. And you're done. Time for that third look. For this you're gonna need a long scarf. If you have got long hair, you can take a very long scarf like I did. And if you got short or medium hair, you can go with the regular scarves. Now I'm going to tie this into a braid. And we'll keep forming the braid till the end. This is where I'm going to tie it up with a hair tie. After this, you need to tie the remaining end of the scarf by circling them around your braid and then tying a knot. Now pull this up and you are ready to roll. Moving on to the third hairstyle, you need to tie a bun for this. Doesn't need to be perfect. Time to roll the scarf 3 times the same way. Now we need to tie a knot in the middle. Place the scarf over the head. Now tying it up twice at the end. Pulling it through. Now using a tic-tac, we need to secure this. Open up the bun. Pull your hair and you're done. Pretty simple. This final hairstyle, you need to tie your hair into a bun. Form a proper bun which is tight and secure. Now take the scarf and tie it around your bun. Move it around twice or whatever is feasible, and tie a knot on top. And this one's a perfect hairdo for summer.
Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, since these were very quick, simple and easy hairstyles which you can do with scarf under a minute. I hope you're gonna try this out and let me know in the comment section below which of the hairstyles you like the most. But till then, stay safe, stay beautiful, and keep enjoying the sunshine. And see you guys next week with a new video. Bye.